Let us discuss this example. So this example is asked in IIT JAM examination in year of 2017 in section 8. So we have to find the value of this double integration. But see, problem is it is not that much easy to solve this double integration. So what will we do? We will convert it. Okay, we will change the order of integration. We will convert it in second form. We will change their limits and then we will solve the problem. So this methodology we are going to follow. So let us discuss the given integral. I have already written here, right? So here you can see x is there. That means these are limits of y. Y is equal to x, y is equal to 1. So obviously these are limits of x. Okay. So therefore given region is bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to x and y is equal to 1. Okay. So as you know, x is equal to 0. This is equation of what? Y-axis. X is equal to 0. This is equation of y-axis. X is equal to 1. This is a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. So it's a line parallel to y-axis. So I will draw that line here. Okay, which passes through x is equal to 1. Next, y is equal to x. This is a line which passes through origin. Line passes through origin. Getting? So if power of x and y, both of them is 1, so that means 101% it represents line. So power of y is 1, power of x is 1, so it represents a line. Let us go further. Y is equal to 1. This is again a line parallel to x-axis. A line parallel to x-axis which passes through y is equal to 1. That means that line will be here. Okay, y is equal to 1 and y is equal to x. This is a line which passes through origin. Getting? So I will draw that line. So this is y is equal to x, right? 101% this line passes through this point. Okay, what is the point of intersection? 1 comma 1. Getting? X1 y1, and if you put those values here, that point will satisfy this equation. Therefore this y is equal to x passes through the same point. So there are two regions we have got, this triangle and this triangle. So maybe you will get confused what is the actual region of integration. So let us come back to the integral here. Okay, so here inner integration is with respect to y. So that means given strip is parallel to y-axis. So that strip is bounded below by this line. Getting? Strip is bounded below by y is equal to x. That means region is above this line y is equal to x. So therefore I can say this is a region of integration. Okay, so let me draw it properly. This is a region of integration. Okay. Okay. So to change the order of integration, we need to consider a strip parallel to x-axis since given strip is parallel to y-axis. I will mention here to change the order of integration, consider a strip parallel to x-axis. Consider a strip parallel to x-axis. Okay. So we are going to solve it further, but there is no more space to write. So I suggest you to make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. So if I consider a strip parallel to x-axis, obviously we should write x varies from ... After that limits of y varies from ... So when we have a strip like this, we consider strip is bounded below, bounded above. So let us see, strip is bounded below by x is equal to 0. Strip is bounded above by y is equal to x, but I have written already x, so x is equal to y. After that, we have to move a strip from bottom to top. So at bottom, it will go up to this point 0, 0. So where the value of y is 0. And at the top, it will move up to this line whose equation is y is equal to 1. Right? So the inner integration is with respect to x now and the outer integration with respect to y. So let us write the integration of x here, limits of x here, 0 to y and limits of y 0 to 1. I have written already dx here since inner integration is with respect to x. But see, when we integrate with respect to x, y and all functions of y we consider as constant. So sine y square is a constant, it will come outside the inner integration. So integration 0 to 1, sine y square will come outside and only dx will be there. The integration of dx is x only. So x 0 to y dy. After that, we have to put upper limit, then lower limit. If I put upper limit y, we will have y minus 0. Y minus 0 is y. So this is equal to integration 0 to 1 y sine y square dy. Again, we cannot solve this integration directly. There is a need of substitution. What I'm going to do, normally when what is a thing which we have in bracket as an angle or as a power and whose derivative can be easily found, getting? So such function we will put. So here, as you can see, y square, we have got an angle here, I'm going to put as a t. So we can easily solve this problem. So putting y square is equal to t. So when we put anything, our first task is to find its derivative and second task is to change limits. Let us find derivative. Its derivative is 2y, dy will be there, derivative of t is 1, so dt. So therefore y dy is equal to dt by 2. So see this term y and dy, that pair we can easily replace it by dt by 2. Let us think about limits for y is equal to 0 lower limit and for y is equal to 1 upper limit. See, let us find the values of t. Okay, so if I put y is equal to 0, we will have t is equal to 0. And if I put y is equal to 1, we will have t is equal to 1 square, which is 1 obviously. So we have got new limits, okay, new values. So yeah, we have some space here, let us use. So I is equal to new limits, integration 0 to 1, right? Sine y square means t, correct? And y dy we can replace it by dt by 2. So its value is dt by 2. Okay, so there is no more space to write. So make a screenshot of it. Then we will go further. Let us solve it further. So that 1 by 2 is constant, will come outside. I is equal to 1 by 2 will come outside. Integration of sine t is minus cos t, having limit 0 to 1. So 1 by 2. Let us put upper limit 1. So we'll have minus cos 1 minus. Okay, so when we put lower limit, we write minus there. But see, it has already minus. So minus minus plus, correct? And cos 0 value is 1. So what is our final answer? 1 minus cos 1 divided by 2. So tell me what is the correct answer? Correct answer is yes, option number D is the correct option. Okay, make a screenshot of it, then we'll stop. Thank you. Bye bye.